अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप? हमेशा की तरह मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और मेरी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ तो किसी को फ़ायदा तो हो रहा होगा। तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू वीडियो मेकिंग एंड वाचिंग एज़ वेल फ्रॉम योर साइड। सो इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन माय चैनल प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट टुडेज़ लेसन लेट मी एक्सप्लेन कि मैं इतने सिंपल रिसोर्स क्यों यूज़ करती हूँ। सो दैट आई वांट कि जो पेरेंट बॉडी है उनको बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैश कार्ड्स या प्रिंट आउट्स या वर्कशीट्स की ज़रूरत ना पड़े। दे कैन यूज़ मिनी वाइट बोर्ड्स, दे कैन यूज़ एनी मीडियम दे हैव ईजिली अवेलेबल एट देयर होम्स, राइट? सो देर आर सो मेनी एप्स, आई नो दैम। उनको एडिटिंग करके उनके आई कैन यूज़ दैम एज वेल, बट हर पेरेंट एक तरह का नहीं होता. So that's why I'm making my videos very 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 simple, just on the whiteboards or on the papers or some discarded material, कि पेरेंट्स को समझने में मुश्किल ना आए कि क्या टेक्निक यूज़ हो रही है. ठीक है? So that's why my videos are very 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 simple. All right, so let's move towards. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to read three letter words जो कि हमने पिछली सारी videos में कर लिए हैं, and that were somehow some of them are rhyming words as well. But in today's video I have made different pictures with the words, and we will learn how to make your child read these words. All right, so let's move towards the board. Draw. What you can do is you can take a paper or you can take a whiteboard, whatever source you have. You can draw a picture day, but then ask your child, okay beta, what is this, ye kya hai, what is this? The bacha will say cup. ठीक है? Cup. So you will write, okay, what is the sound of, in sound there are how many sounds do you think? बच्चा बोलेगा, आप एक दफ़ा बेशक उसको लिख के दिखा दें. ख या फिंगर्स पे काउंट कर ले, the best way. Yes. ख, अ, प. Cup. Ask your child to do the same with you. बेटे बोले, आपका मुंह कितनी दफ़ा खुल रहा है? And how many times you are going to open your mouth? ख, अ, प. अच्छा, उसको पता चलेगा that there are three sounds only. K, A, P, right? So let's move towards how to write it. Achha, ask him how to write. Okay, beta, what is the sound of K? Which letter has K sound? K, A. A sound में trust me बच्चे बहुत 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 confuse होते हैं, but it's okay. With the passage of time they will learn the sound properly. K, A, P, cup. अब उसको reinforce कराएं कि बेटा have you seen? Very good. Good job. There are three sounds, not three letters. I'm repeating again. There are three sounds in the word cup, right? Now let's move towards the next picture. Ask your child again. Oh wow, what is this? It's a cat. Then again ask him how to say cat. And in cat, how many sounds do we have? Do not how many letters, how many sounds do we have? K, A, T. Ask again. आपका मुंह कितनी दफ़ा खुल रहा है बेटे? ख. बच्चा बोलता जाएगा, आप फिंगर से करते जाएं. फर्स्ट टाइम आप करें, सेकंड टाइम बच्चा करेगा. ठीक है? ख, A, T. आपने कितनी दफ़ा बेटे अपना मुंह ओपन किया? ख, A, T. 3 times. So that means this this word has 3 sounds, right? अच्छा, जैसे जैसे बच्चा बोलता जाएगा, आपने अपने फिंगर्स ख, A, T, cat. Now then आप बोलिए कि बेटे cat, cat, ख, A, T, cat. Then write, okay, what is the sound of k? So k, A, T, cat. See, I have taken very simple and easy pictures that you can also draw at your homes. Like, what is this? Bus, bus, bus. Again, the same technique. Now, this time, ask your child to say the sound, and you will say the sound, and your child is going to open the fingers. Okay, but now I am saying, I think that this is a bus. What do you say? Right, this is a bus. B, a, s, bus. Remember, you are going to say, and the child is going to open the fingers while you are saying the sounds. B, a, s, bus. Your child come to know, okay, there are 3 sounds in this word. Okay, but how to write bus? Write b sound, then write a sound, then write s, bus. Trust me, this is the best way to make your child write the sentence. Because उसको phonic आ गए, 3 letter words, किसको blending भी आ गए, सब कुछ आ गया. Now it's time to write these 3 letter words. Then we will move towards the digraphs, right? पहले इस पे बच्चे की grip ज़्यादा मजबूत होनी चाहिए. Okay. Then this is not a fish because it's 4 letter. It's fin. बच्चा बोलेगा हमेशा यही इसको देख सकते, it's a fish. No, बेटा, कि fish has a body part that help the fish to swim. What is this? It's a fin. Now this time again it's your turn to say the sound, and the child is going to open the fingers. E fin. E fin. How to write fin? E fin. At the end, we will see how to read them. Now, bat, bat, bat. At this time, both of you will say the sounds together, and then both of you will open the fingers while saying the sounds. Like, okay, beta, let's do it together now. This time, bat, b, a, t. Wow, again there are only 3 sounds. B, a, t. Bat, b, a, t. Bat. Now this is, look at the chair. Okay, I have tried actually to make a chair. So what is this? A boy is sitting on a chair. So the you, it sit. It's a word, sit. Eat, sit. Eat, sit. There are 3 sounds again. Eat, sit. Now what is this? It's a pen. It's a pen. Now let your child alone do it. Stay quiet. Okay, beta. Say the sound and open the fingers. P, E, M. Pen. Pen. P, E, M. Pen. Now what happened? Okay. Sad. It's a sad face. So let's write sad. Let your child alone do it. S-A-D. Sad. Remember, this is writing activity. Reading CVC words like 3-letter words and write as well. Okay? Reading plus writing we are doing today. Now how to read? बच्चा ने लिख लिया? Write all the words. ये बच्चा knows कि इसमें 3-letter words हैं. There are 3-letter words and how to write them and how to read them. But at the end, make sure whenever your child is doing a task, wrap up is very much important. So it's a wrap up time. How to do the wrap up time? Let's do it quickly. K up, cup. K at, cat. I am not reading like this. K a p. लिखना ऐसे है, but the way you will read is you have to blend them. K up, cup. K at, cat. B us, bus. F in, fin. B at, bat. This is the very easy way to read the words together through blending. ठीक है? It, sit. P in, pin. Add, sad. ठीक है? अगर कोई और आपको लगता है कि बीच में आपका बच्चा थका नहीं है, बोर नहीं हो रहा, तो आप what you can do is, okay, but it's sad. What do you think? Which add word will come? Dad, fat. There's so many other words, okay, you can do with your children. So this is the way to write and read 3-letter words. So in the next video, inshallah ta'ala, we will talk about digraphs. I am going to start digraphs, and digraphs are very important to learn. All right. So thank you for watching my video. Again, I'm repeating, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Take care of yourself, everybody. Allah Hafiz.